Good morning. Oh, what's that? Good morning, guys. Yeah, there was a rain last night, and looks like it is going to rain today again. Yesterday was good. It was sunny. Yeah, I'm now going to have my breakfast. This is rice cooking. Yeah, we have this chicken today. Or, uh, I have this longanisa that I made 2 days ago. I didn't show you because it was already late. We're going to cook this one. I'm wearing this when it's too cold. This is a snow jacket. Yeah, this is snow jacket is really good. I used this when I was doing the bike travel. You know, this is really good. A lot of pocket. Yeah, many pocket. There is a place for the headphone. There is a space for the sunglass. There is also this, to wipe the sunglass. Yeah, this is amazing. I love that. I bought it in Aldi. I forgot how much, but it's affordable. Already 8 o'clock. I wear that last night while, laying down there watching the news. I am boiling the water for the pasta. I'm going to eat Filipino spaghetti. Yeah, if you remember last time I made the spaghetti sauce. This one. So yeah, this one is Filipino spaghetti sauce. Still not yet. As you can see this one. Yeah, because I got the message. I read the comment that this is actually not dissolving in the toilet. Yeah, so it's going to be clogged. The toilet will be clogged if you use that in the toilet, because this is a paper towel, not toilet paper. Yeah, thank you to Hiyas Sweet and Joy, yeah, for their comments. Yeah, I listen to your comments. With right amount of salt, this one, the pasta is already delicious. Good already. Oh, I believe this is hot. Yeah, hot. They said that if it's cooked, if it stays in the if it stays like that, it means it's cooked al dente. If it goes down, overcooked or raw. Looks too much. I can't finish it all. I don't know if Filipino spaghetti is good with the Parmesan cheese. We will try. I have some. Yeah, there's no big impact, but it's alright. Yeah, we are going to make the 2-minute, 1-minute 2-ingredient donut from Emma Godis. I still have this plain flour, and I don't want to open the self-rising flour. Yeah, so, and I don't have the scale. It looks like I put too much flour. This one that I am making is not really good. Taste is okay, it's good. Maybe especially if I put the sugar already, but yeah, the sizes it's not good. So if you want to make something like this, you follow the recipe of Emma's Godis, or I can ask the recipe of Sumudu. Sumudu is our pastry chef. Oh, it's scary. Hot oil. Sumodo will give me shit if he see this donut. Yeah. It's okay. I'm now going to make a coffee. And this will be, yeah, good. It's good. Taste. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is not very cold. Temperature is maybe 16 or something like that. But you know, it's okay to wear something like this. It's comfortable still. I'm going to cook rice. Yeah, this is the last again. So we are going to the grocery maybe later. And I have this. This one is not pure pork meat. I mix it with some beef. Oh no, instead of putting water, I put this in a microwave. I already tasted this longanisa patty, and not really the best because you know when I made it, I'm not really giving attention and I just mix it all together. Yeah, now measuring. Yeah, that's why it's not the best like the previous one that I made. It is now 2 o'clock. Yeah, I'm preparing this noodles, and I'm going to put some of this sausage and vegetable. Yeah, nothing special. It's just what I have in the kitchen. I don't know. I don't really like this. I don't really like this fish. Looks beautiful. We're just out here because we are going to, yeah, just to sit somewhere around, and we'll be just watching the sunset. As you can see, I have a copy here. Oh nice, this restaurant is already open. Oh, looks like there is one lady. Oh, there are a bunch of ladies, they are fishing. Nice. Yeah, nice, look at that, they are fishing there. Yeah, we look for a different spot to drink this coffee. Okay, we stop here because I'm going to show you those. There is so much small fish in there. Yeah, when they grow up, there will be a lot of fish. Look at that. How long before they grow up? Maybe 1 week they will be already big. You can see that. Yeah, there's so many. Wow. Okay, get down a little bit more. So as you can see that when they grow up, will be a lot of money. A lot of people, they are running, jogging. I forgot to bring my sunglasses. I can't really see. I can't really look in there. Yeah, but at the moment there are people. They are fishing, swimming. Yeah, there are some on the boat, walking around. Nice. Okay, we're going to set the time lapse this camera because I can see from here there is one big set of cloud in there, and the sun is going to hide in there. And at the moment there are two guys. They are playing this kind of game. I don't know exactly. What is that? Flying saucer? Maybe. Stop them.
Is that electric?
Yeah, it's electric bike.
How hard have you got to pedal?
It's very easy. I mean, it's almost there's no effort.
Yeah, so you just got to turn the thing and
Yeah, you just
it
push a little bit and it will
it'll
accelerate. It will generate. Yeah, there are three.
I indicate.
Yeah, there are three indicators here.
Wow.
Like yeah, for maximum power,
Yes.
it can reach up to 50 kilometer. Yeah.
And I see you change gears. So if you're climbing a hill, you change down.
Yeah, you need to change the gear to.
Good. Good on you.
If you know the Misery Hill,
Yes.
it's really easy to go up there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. Also, the battery lasts for up to 7 days if you charge for 6 hours.
Oh, I see
That's
you
for-
charge it at home, do you?
Yeah, I charge that at home. Yeah, that's it. The sun has just get down there, and we also going out from here now. I believe that you just let you go. Do I still try for you? I'm trying to get close to you, oh baby.